In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redact text and images in a PDF using Protect and Standardize. We'll walk through a clear click-by-click process so you can confidently prepare a document for secure sharing. Redaction is the method used to hide or remove sensitive information from a file, and in many PDF editors, it lives inside a workspace called Protect and Standardize. Keep in mind that redaction is designed to permanently remove content once applied, so it's a good idea to work on a copy of your file. Start by clicking on Tools. This opens the library of features available in your PDF editor. If your window is narrow, the Tools pane may be in a side panel or under a menu at the top. Either way, the goal is to get into the full list of tools. Next, scroll down until you see Protect and Standardize. This area groups security and compliance features in one place, which is why the redaction controls live here. If you have a long list of tools, take your time and scroll steadily so you don't skip past it. Now click on Redact. This activates the redaction toolset. You're entering a mode that allows you to identify what should be hidden without removing anything yet. Think of this as the staging area where you decide what gets protected. Click on Text. By choosing text, you're telling the software to target written content in the document. This is useful for blocking out names, addresses, IDs, or any other words and numbers that shouldn't be visible. Click on Mark File Redaction. This option marks items for redaction across the file, not just on a single page. You're creating redaction marks that act like placeholders. At this point, nothing is deleted. You're simply flagging content so you can review it before committing. Click on Text and Images. This ensures both written content and visuals, like screenshots, scanned forms, and embedded graphics, are included in your scope. It's especially important when sensitive data might appear inside an image rather than as selectable text. Finally, click on OK. This confirms your choices and lets the tool scan the document, placing visible redaction marks wherever it finds matching content. Take a moment to review the marks on each page, zoom in to check small details, and confirm that everything you intended to protect is captured. If something looks off, you can adjust your selections before moving forward. That's the complete process to prepare your document using Protect and Standardize and the Redact tool. You've now marked the text and images you want hidden,